How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video of the 370Z headlamps. On today's video, we're gonna be painting gloss black the inside of the bezel on these 370Z headlamps. This is what we're gonna be using in order to paint the chrome bezels on these headlamps after we strip them. It's a Dupli-Color acrylic lacquer. Is, as you see, the cap indicates the color. I bought this from Advanced Auto Parts. It's about $5 or $6 for the bottle. I hope you guys like the result. I think it's gonna look amazing, and these lights will look just like the Nismo headlamps. That's what I'm trying to look for. I'm trying to go for the full Nismo look on these headlamps. I'm ready to go ahead and paint all these parts. I gave all of them a light scuff. Alright, so after I finished spraying this with the Dupli-Color black spray paint, I went ahead and I added a couple of layers of clear coat off camera. I'm using the clear coat to build a resistance to the UV rays, since this is going to be exposed to the sun, so it will protect these pieces. And I think, this these things shine like crazy. I really like how this is turning out. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This is going to be all for today. On the next video, we're going to be putting back together the lights, and then after we seal them back, we will be clearing the outside lens so that it shines through, because right now you cannot see anything inside those lights. You could actually see some of the inside of the lights before because they were chrome, but now that they're black, you can barely see anything inside the lights. So in the next video, after we put the lights back together, we will be clearing this headlamp lens so that it looks pristine. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll really appreciate it. I'll answer any questions you guys have. I hope you're finding all this information helpful. Again, thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel.